Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to do a setup of the Moto Vlogging helmet. So basically the idea here is I'm going to set up my GoPro to my helmet, and I'm going to show you the process of how do you mount your GoPro to your helmet. I'm also going to show you the professional mic setup that you're going to attach to your GoPro as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get the notifications first. Let's get started. So let me begin with showing the products that I'm going to use. So basically this is my helmet, and this is a GoPro. So I currently have GoPro 6. So you can probably upgrade or probably buy the latest GoPro, which is I think Hero 9. And I also ordered this product. This is a lavalier microphone, the product named Mono, and you have the GoPro adapter, 3.5mm mic adapter. So these are all available on Amazon, and this is a 3mm tape, and this is M-Seal to give you the elevated look. It gives you that fine edges when you actually mount. When you actually try to install your GoPro mount, which is this, the edges, if you see the back, has got a different shape. So when I basically try to mount to my helmet here, it doesn't stick properly, and when you try to use your 3mm tape, it's not safe. So hence we use this M-Seal to give that proper elevation, and you can mount the GoPro mounts properly. And I also have this vlogging protective case. The advantage of this is basically you can mount your adapter in this inside, and basically you'll have a complete setup with this protective case. So I will leave this link to all these products in my description below. So make sure you check out, and probably if you like it, you can order it for yourself. So the exact positioning that I'm going to mount my GoPro is the chin mount. So the chin mount gives the excellent POV, which means point of view angle. The recording will provide you the excellent angle of what was actually in your view. Chin mounts are most aerodynamic position to put your cameras as well. So if you have if you have a full helmet, motorcycle helmet, you can avail this opportunity of a chin mount. And as I said, this has an aerodynamic design. So this arrangement will work best if you want to make use of the microphone, and the audio quality also comes out pretty well. So that's the main advantage of mounting the GoPro in the chin area, the chin mount. So without any delay, let's get started. So right now I am opening the M-Seal pack. So if you see, there are two sticks inside. The one that I'm holding right now, this is resin, and the one below this one is hardener. Let me quickly show you the GoPro plate. So if you see, there is a gap both the corners. So you have to fill that gaps with probably you can use a masking tape or anything of that sort. So what I'm doing right now is I'm covering up that space with the masking tape, so that when I stick the M-Seal at the back, the M-Seal does not pop up. It doesn't pop into that gaps. So that's the reason I'm covering up the spaces with the masking tape. So I'm cutting this into half, the hardener as well to half, and with your hands mix it well until the portion turns out black. So that's the final expected look. this is a bit of, a little sticky. Now this is mixed well. So now what you do is you stick to your plate at the back. So while I'm sticking it, so gonna make sure that you get a perfect shape. Now you can peel off your masking tape and also make sure if there's any M seal that's popped out, just cut it off, because that will block your the plate, the GoPro mount to get inside the plate. So now this is done, I'm going to stick to the helmet. So put in some of your energy and stick it well. So while I'm doing that, I'm also making sure all the corners, all the edges are it's pasted well. You can gently probably give it a shape so that it has to blend to your helmet. So all the corners are important. So now this is done. I'm going to leave this aside for a couple of hours because this has to dry. Now let's try to do the setup of our GoPro. So as I said, this is the protective vlogging case. Your adapter will basically get inside that space at the bottom. Just try to put the jack outside. It's very easy to install, and plug in your adapter into the audio output. You can also use the mono mic. You can just connect it to the audio interface. Now this is a lavalier microphone. Now this I am going to install it inside my helmet, and I'm going to make sure find out a way to position my mic right next to my mouth. And just a small tip around buying a helmet for yourself. So whenever you buy an helmet, look out for an helmet which has detachable pads, so that it is good for washing and maintaining the fabric. So right now I'm finding out a way to position my cables, mics in such a way that it's neatly installed inside the helmet. So I found out a space there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip it right next to that pad, so that the mic stays right next to my mouth. We are almost done, and this is how the final look of the Moto Vlogging helmet looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick demo of the audio quality. A very quick short ride just to check how the audio quality really looks like. Well, I wanted to check how the audio captures while there's a windy environment, a windy atmosphere, and there's too much of noise around. So I'm just excited to check out the quality. Okay, let's go back. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I am going to do another vlogging with this full setup, and I hope to see you soon. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was useful. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Your support is very important. So I'll come back with another video. Until then, it's me, Prashant, signing off. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.